customer.
Yeah, Holly!
Hey guys.
Hey, Holly!
Wow, thanks. I can't sing, so I'm just gonna talk at you guys. That's okay. Cool. Alright, I work at Theater by the Sea. I'm a painter. But before I worked here, I worked at Pier 1 Imports. The worst time of my life. It's horrible. I had a really big advantage over my fellow saleswomen though, because of my extremely colorful personality. I sold a couch to my gynecologist. Pervert kept her ass up here this time.
That's so gross.
I'm 23 now, which sucks, because 10 years ago, I thought I'd have my shit together by now. Not the case. I thought I'd be rich by now, also not the case. Would have been nice. Could have gotten me out of a lot of jams. People say money can't buy you happiness. I don't know about that, y'all. It can buy you tickets to Busch Gardens. It can buy you a beer or 12. It can buy you a lot of cats. Like, what more do you want? It can even buy you antidepressant pills. And that's like, yeah, this guy's back there. I love it. That's like the definition of happiness is antidepressant. I hate jewelry store commercials where they're like, I make your woman feel really special this year and buy her a ring from our store. I don't know how that became a thing, like to make a woman feel special, buy her a rock on a metal wheel. I don't get it. If you want to make me feel special, buy me a version of Photoshop or something. Like, fold my underwear, buy me some shoes that look Chanel, but you gotta pay less. Like, I don't care.
Just keep drinking.
It's Holly with an H. Get your shit together. But like, if you like it, don't put a ring on it. Like, I hate rings. It's like literally and metaphorically jail for my finger. Don't do it, okay? I need to feel special often though. Cause I'm like the most basic bitch you've ever seen. Like, if you were describing me to somebody, you know, like, not fat, not skinny either, though. She has brown hair. She's white. She was born in May. Like, they would be like, that could literally be anyone. It could be anyone. I like to compare myself to the moon. Like, aside from the physical rounded white thing, like, I get it, guys. I get it. But, like, the moon is there. Everyone knows it's there. But it's just there. And, like, a lot of men want to explore it, but, like, the ones who have the balls to, they don't stay for long. Because it's suffocating. And a lot of people, like my dad, they like the sun better.